Hello, thank you for checking out Miss Smalls Tries It All, the channel where I, Mrs. Smalls, tries a little bit of everything and shares with you how it's done. So today we're going back to crochet, but I want to show you guys how to do the double crochet stitch. So last stitches I showed were the half double, also known as half treble, and the single crochet stitch. So today is the double crochet, known as double crochet in America, in the United States, and it's called the treble stitch in the UK. So the reason why I'm sharing this is that if you come across a pattern that is in that's UK based or even Australian, you might see the term used treble, and treble stitch is nothing but a US double crochet stitch. Okay, so let's get started. We know the magic ring, we know the chain. What we're going to do is do our magic ring and chain 15. And remember, like always, make sure your chains aren't so tight. This way you can put your hook in the chains without any problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so we have our 15 stitches in our chain, and now let's start with our double crochet, also known as treble crochet. All right. Okay, so to get started, we yarn over, take the hook, put it in the second chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through, okay, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through another 2, okay, you see that? So we yarn over, pull, push through the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. All right, yarn over, hook through that chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so check it out. I'm going to move slow. You're going to work it to the end of the chain. And you know me, I like to force my way through that last little foundation chain, right? That little magic ring, and do the double crochet in there as well. All right, so just like we did with the half double, also known as half treble crochet, we are going to chain 2, 1, 2, turn it around, just like what we did in the previous stitches. We're skipping this first one. Notice that is the first chain, and we're going to start crocheting in the second chain. So yarn over, push through those 2 loops. Notice, remember, it's 2 up there. See, it's 2 up there. So yarn over, push through that loop, yarn over again, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. All right, so yarn over, push through the loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. All right, so just watch me. I'm going to do it slow. And when we get to the end, it's pretty much the same little process. We do that chain. We make sure you crochet within that the chain that you did, on the other end. So you make sure you're going to crochet in that chain. You yarn over, push through the top of that chain, yarn over, pull through, and then the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. All right, so we're chaining 2, 1, 2, turning it around, and we're going to take it to the other side, through the other side. Yarn over, push through the loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again, yarn over, push through that loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. All right, I'm going to keep this going. And just for the sake of showing, I think I'm going to make this my last row. All right, remember when we get to that corner, we're going to have double crochet into that chain, pull through, and wrap a yarn over and pull through like we would. Okay, and so now I got my couple rows of double crochet. Thank you so much for tuning in to Mrs. Smalls Tries It All. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe, and I shall see you soon. All right, just finish off those edges like we did the last few stitches. Thank you.